Sup, bitches? Where's this race heading to?
Impact shot.
Alright. When are we...
Lights
We're gonna call down 3, 2, 1.
Go, boy. I'll give you a rundown.
With it.
How long till we go?
Who the fuck harasses on the minimap?
Can we go yet? Can we go yet, Ranu? Raku?
Charge! Platoon, go. The Alpha chip.
Go, 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 go!
Oh, Raku!
Raku, you've got to be kidding me. Oh. Fuck me.
Shoot!
Proximity?
No.
First, motherfucker.
Enemy linked northwest of the.
I got it.
I went down the fucking ditch.
Body flips.
Watch out for the gals landing on people.
I was. Couple was
Shit, enemy side, enemy side.
Join the club.
Ring.
No!
Oh, no way.
It would have been like where those 4 guys are now. Oh man.
Hey guys, we just got marked by the banner. Here. If you look at the
Shit,
chat.
I just attacked by the side, man.
Like this is no time for you. Fucking lightning glowing on stuff.
Sorry about that.
Repair.
Who's on Charlie?
I'm on Charlie. I'm on Charlie.
I'm trying to get to.
Good work. Well, I made it to the Alpha waypoint.
I think only about
Oh, wow.
4 of us made it to the Alpha point.
Shit, did everybody die?
Most of the guys.
Fucking made him take mine.
See this random. Well, that was fun.
Well, that's me out.
Alright, guys, that's the harasser race finished. Nobody won because everybody got killed. Okay, basically now we're all going to assign points. Charlie, you're going to end our Comaray.
Roger.
Bravo, you're going to West Highlands checkpoint.
Roger.
And Alpha, you're going to TI Alloys. So all those prowlers I can see hanging around West Highlands checkpoint, buzz off.